So today I'm going to bring you my review on this Llano camera combo cage designed specifically for the Action Pro 5, 4, and 3. So let's open this up, see what we got in the box. Now this is going to be a CNC machined. Okay, nothing more there. Okay, CNC machined precise fit piece of aluminum that's going to help protect. It's also going to give us a cold shoe mount, and I think this is something that a lot of people will enjoy, right? When we have the DJI case, we don't really have access to the side here unless we take the whole thing out of the protective cover that it gave us, right? But this is going to slide in just like that. Lock that in. Now we have access to this here, so we can fire up the camera, turn it off. We have our button here up top. Oh, that was smooth. Okay. Cold shoe mount right here. We can add our light in here. Tighten that up. Now these are things that you can't do with the regular protective case. So we got the light there. Now our quick connect is still available there. That's good. We can do the side shots for your verticals. That's good there. And then here's the big part. You can still access your side port here for your USB-C. The other thing we can do now is we can access our battery and SD card without having to take it all the way out of the cage like with the one from the factory. So I can already tell I am going to like this cage. It's going to help protect my investment. Yep, this is a buy.